In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz in Typeform, providing a comprehensive overview that ranges from basic quizzes to those with advanced logic and personalized endings. So let's dive right in and get you started on your journey to creating engaging, interactive quizzes. Firstly, you'll want to log into your Typeform account. Once you're in, go ahead and hit the option to create a new form. Here, you'll be faced with a choice. You can either start from scratch or select a quiz template. Typeform offers a variety of templates, such as trivia or personality quizzes, which can serve as great inspiration if you're unsure where to start. Now, let's talk about picking the right quiz type for your needs. Typeform provides different modes tailored to specific goals. For instance, a score quiz allows you to assign points to answers, showing users their score at the end, which is perfect for educational purposes or knowledge check quizzes. Alternatively, the match quiz mode lets you assign answers to possible outcomes, displaying the best matched result based on the total points accumulated. This mode is ideal for personality tests or product recommendations. Lastly, there's the knowledge quiz mode, a more recent addition, which provides participants with immediate right or wrong feedback as they progress through the quiz. Once you've figured out the type of quiz you want, it's time to build your quiz content. Typeform makes this easy by allowing you to add questions in various formats. You can choose from multiple choice, drop-downs, picture choice, and yes/no options. If you're aiming to organize your quiz, consider using question groups. These can be sorted by difficulty or topic to create a more structured experience. Additionally, don't shy away from enhancing your questions with media, whether that's uploading images or embedding videos, to make your quiz more visually engaging. Setting up scoring and logic is a critical part of making your quiz interactive and tailored. For score quizzes, head over to the Workflow tab, select Branching, and assign points to correct answers, like adding a point for each correct response. Using logic here is crucial. It helps guide the flow of your quiz. You might require a certain score for participants to proceed to the next set of questions or direct them to a specific ending if they don't meet that threshold. When it comes to match quizzes, navigate to the Content panel and select Match Quiz mode. Here, you'll define matching rules and can set up multiple quiz endings, with each answer contributing toward a particular ending. If there's a tie, the first listed ending is used. To round off your quiz, customize the finish by adding ending screens for each potential outcome or score range. You can include dynamic text, such as the participant's actual score, using variables like @score. For more personalization, branching logic can be used to decide which ending appears based on performance, such as showing a congratulations screen for high scorers. Finally, polish the look and feel of your quiz. Start by adding a welcome screen with introductory text or instructions. Then customize the design settings, including fonts, colors, backgrounds, and themes, to align with your brand. Before going live, take a moment to preview your quiz in both desktop and mobile views to ensure that everything works as intended. Once you're satisfied with the end product, hit Publish or Share to make your quiz available to participants. And there you have it, a seamless process to create engaging and interactive quizzes on Typeform. Happy quizzing!